And yes, we are live today. So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone, wherever you are. Okay, so welcome to my page and welcome to my live as well. Okay, it's a beautiful, very quiet, of course, still freezing, cold Sunday and another great day, everyone. Okay, so hello, how are you doing? Okay, today it's the February 1st of the month. It's February 1st, 2026. And it's almost, it's 1:30 a.m. here in my location. Okay, so how are you doing, guys? Hello. Hope you had a good day. Hope you had a great day today. So today, because it's a cheat day, it's a weekend, so we are going to talk about, or we are in our mother thank mother thank mode. Okay, so but before that, I'm going to take this opportunity to say thank you so much to all my old and new followers who follow my page for taking their time, for commenting my post, taking their time to like my post. Thank you very much. Okay, so today, because I have a follower who requested me to talk about in uh, a Cebuano. So we are going to uh, our our live today is a Cebuano Bisaya language, and I'm very much excited about it. Okay, so our topic for this evening is hmm, it's of course why I choose a digital business over a second job. So thank you very much. Okay, so welcome to my page and welcome to my live, of course. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so why I choose an online digital business over a second job. Maayong gabi kaninyong tanan, kumusta ka mo? Kumusta ang atong buhay-buhay diha? So I'm not good. Sorry about that. So I'm not that good in Cebuano because our mother tongue, it's a different one. Um, our own dialect is a different to Cebuano. It's a bit how to say it? It's a more tricky than the Cebuano. Cebuano is the easiest, uh, w- like it's the easiest language than our language. Okay, so because it's weekend, so we are going to talk about uh, like it's an open communication. Okay, so nganong may gabi inyong tanan, kumusta mo rin ha? So this is Rina and I am from Toronto, Ontario, but originally from Cebu, Philippines. And welcome. This is Rina, of course, come to you live. Welcome. Okay, so ang atong topic karon is nganong nganong gipili nako ang digital business, online digital business over sa second job. Una sa tanan, ang pinakaunang nga rason is ang oras. Okay, so ang oras is ang imong oras is imo oras. Okay, so kana man god og naa ka sa digital business, bisag asa ka, if regardless if you are working full-time. Okay? So, bisag asa ka dapita, bisag diin ka, as long as digital online business. If you are a digital business owner, makaran gihapon kang business. That is really the advantages of the digital online business. Whereas if ug naa ka physical store, of course, physically naagid ka sa imong kaugalingong store. Right? So, ang imong presensya gikinahanglan, or if dili og wala ka sa diha sa store, of course na kay gisaligan mga ingana. So, pananglitan ug naa kay tindahan pananglitan sa textile or naa kay kaugalingon nga store. Siyempre, dili man gina siya mo run og wa ka diha. So, kinahanglan nga naa gyud ka diha imong presensya or naa kay kanang nagduma sa diha dapita. So, unlike if digital business, natugra ka day, why problema day, naaragyog ka day, layda-layda ka day. So, di ba? So, that is the very advantages of the online digital business. Mo na siya ang nakanindot. Matug ka, 24 oras, 7 ka adlaw, so nagsige na kag layda-layda sa dayon niya, ano yun, negosyo day, gadagandagan day. So, ang sunod is, ang nakakuan man pod ug second ang second job man pod is if you are in sa imong trabaho, so you trade your time with the money. So basig kang trabaho, oras gadagan, so gibayran ka sa imong oras sa imong serbisyo. So mao na siya ang imong ang imong pananglitan o ang imong second job. So, mao gani na siya nga ug naa ka if you are a digital business owner, marana nimo siya imong business bisag naa pa kay full time, naa kay part time, bisag wa ka diha, bisag diin ka, bisag asa ka, bisag naa pa ka sa vacation, bisag asa ka nag-party ka or wherever you are, maran gyapon imong business kay nang digital man siya dai. O ni nakanindot tay. So, og naa ka pananglitan sa imong physical store, naa ka didto kinahanglan imong presensya na didto. Di ka pwede mo lakaw, di ka pwede mo kon kay nay mangita o mga palit kog kuan amoy suka diha. Kinahanglan naa ka diha. Naamoy asin diha. O sige, palit ka o na asin. So di man na pwede day nga asin day online day. Ana lang. Wala siya. Ka-simple. Okay? So ang sunod is you can earn even when you are not working every hour. Mo na tinuod. Bisag wala ka trabaho ka oras-oras, as long as you have this connection, you have your own cell phone, you have your own phone, you have your own laptop, you have your own connection, you have your own internet connection, and that is way enough to run the business. Okay? If you are a business owner. So, day makaparan ka sa imong negosyo day, bisag asa ka day. Basta as long as you do have the internet, you do have the phone, you do have this, sige, muhang nyo, walay laptop. Okay ra, basta na kay phone. Makaran ka business. Okay? So mao na siya ang naka-advantage og naa kay og usa ka sa digital business owner. So kana siya, excuse me. So kana siya matuog ka. Nakilakaw, napaka-importanteng lakaw. Wadto ka dito, magpahingo ba ka sa imong ipon, mapagwapa ka ba, wadto pa kag belo, siya pa sa imong naong, wadto ba ka magpakulot pa ka sa imong buhok. naa kay cellphone, naa kay phone, ay napagdala na imong laptop kay gamo na kay na. Sige, cellphone na lang. You still run your business. Okay? Magpamanicure ka dito din, magpagwapa ka dito sa imong mga kukuday, nga nangatunas na din imong kukuday. Still, you still run your business. Okay? That's the advantage of online digital business. Whereas, og naa kay second job, no work, no pay, dili ka mo show up. Let's say, if you committed to a second job, of course, if you are not around, if you are not there, kung wala ka dito, no work, no pay. Whereas, if you are a digital business owner, dalay ka dahil. Here, pagwapa ka dahil. Ito ka na pakulot ka sa imong buhok dahil. Nagpatina ka sa imong buhok dahil. See? It's a big difference. Okay? So that is really the advantages of having an online digital business. Okay? So mao na siya. So the next is mao man gud ni nakandot kay og naa kay online digital business. You know what? Kanang murag kag inspire permi, dili murag inspire ka permi kay ano. Saka ano, saka na every hour, every minute ka na mo sulod. Tanaw, hala na mo ni siya. That's why you know what? Why I encourage myself nganong ako gid porsige akong kaugalingon. Or before that, I always look forward to those people like succeeded already. Like for example, in our community, na ami kanang um, na ami uh, not a website, it's a group, it's a community. O niya mo, tanaw ra ko dito, tanaw na ko dito, kay para kanang ma-inspire ko, ma-encourage ko, ma-motivate ko, tanaw na ko dito. And then after that one, I changed myself right away. Like, um, I, karang ma-transition ka ba right away because you saw a person who succeeded already and then you are like you are aiming to be like her. Something like that. May anak ba? So mauna siya nga ganahan ka nga magporsige kay ngano nakita man nimo nga makaingon ka nga hala nakita lagi na ko siya nga ni asinso. So ngano tan-aw na ko siya lain maro ko ni di niya kaya. So ngano di man nako makaya no makaya man niya nga buto na lang murag pareho man ni ana ba? So mauna siya makaingon ko hala Umakisalig ani niya pero nakaya lagi niya. Anong di na ko makaya? Mga ingana ba? So mauna siya. Mauna siya ang mana kanang dako kay kumpiyansa sa imong kaugalingon day. Ana lang. So kinahanglan gid niya kanang i-motivate niya ang kaugalingon nga. Makaya gani niya no? Ako pa kaha. Mga ana ba kanang imong gyud kanang dako kay pagsalig as in I can do this. Mga ingana. So the next is you can earn even when you are not working every hour, of course. Like, you know what? What's the advantages of digital business? Wala ka kahibaw. Let's say if you are on data or if you are like let's say if you don't have data, musulod ra man na siya nga mo ni mo na lolo na ora gini sulod makita ra naman sa imong email nga hala lagi na siya di ba nakaka-excite ana lang. So ang importante gyud ani dahi nga kanang updated gyud ka on nya kanang kuan ka na kay signalis perme. Ana lang. The next is it can grow. It can grow, of course. Absolutely and indeed. That is the reality of a digital online business. Abi nimo Sophie anta mo there are lots of daghan kaayo online digital business. But our business, we do have our model, and then we are affiliated marketing. So we are sa ganini kanang naatay promote ni product pero wala nato nakita, dili ta pwede ka na dili ta ka mabinsir, dili ta ka na mag-recruit, dili ka makuan. As in, you just have to like no chasing. Ana lang. Ang ato lang is kanang kuan lang kanang just be what do you call this? Consistent. Consistent on growth mindset, mao ginapirmi ang formula. Consistency on niya kanang kuan gid ka kanang imong eagerness to learn. Dili mo ko na siya pwede dai nga karang mo na ka. Lingkod ra ka dito dai, kay gihimo dai, di na pwede dai. Di na siya pwede. Trabahoon gid nimo. Kay bisag unsa bisag digital creator ka dai, mo tumbling gyud ka dai, tamas ginhawa. Dili man ko na siya pwede nga kanang lingkod ra ka o nya para trabahoon gyud nimo tamas ginhawa kay para ma-reach gyud nimo, para mo-succeed gyud ka o para makita gyud nimo imong resulta. Mao gyud na siya. Takes overtime, takes time to make you succeed. Dili na siya pwede, uy, nga kanang overtime, kanang like over the counter, kanang overnight, no, dili, dai. Dili na siya pwede. Trabaho, gyud na tama sa ginawa. Kanang maingon nga kanang scam niya. No. It's not true. Well, mao man gid karon ka na. You have to be very vigilant. You have to be very like due diligence, research, kay para dili ka mailad. Kay bisag asa ka kung nakita sa kalibutan dai may naidagang mangilad dai. Bisag na sa imong kili din, yung tungod din mangilad dai. So mao na siya na ikaw sa imong kaugalingon, you have to be very careful, you have to be very resourceful, you have to be very focused, you have to know everything, like you have to be very like kanang mabinantayon, ana lang, mo na pinakatinuod. Okay? So you build an asset, not just a paycheck. Tinuod man gina. Abi ninyo no kanang sultian ta mo karong panahon na dili gyud mabangbang. Mo na sa among pinulong na dili gyud siya babang. Mo sa among pinulong na and sa Cebuano layman's term, dili siya mabangbang. Mo na kung dili basta-basta ka na karong panahon na kanang dili ka komedyahan ang sitwasyon. Tanan ni saka, tanan inflated, tanan gikan sa asin, padong sa munggos, padong sa tinapa, padong sa itlog, padong sa unsa pa. Tanan ni saka. Okay? So kinahanglan ta karon ka ng we have to be very frugal. Kanang kinahanglan kita kanang anak kita kanang asa na kanang kuan kita kanang hinugtanay sa bakos. Okay? Tanan puwerte gyud pagsaka, puwerte pagmahal. So dili ka pwede mo pa kuan ka easy lang ka kay tanan nagmahal, tanan isaka. So that's why we are all hit by inflation. So that's why kanang mangita gyud tag side hustle, kanang lain nga panginabuhian, kanang lain nga kanang pangitaan o source of income. Ana lang. Kay dili manalim. Paycheck to paycheck is not easy situation, to be honest. Kay nga nusultian ta mo, dili malalim day. Murag kakapoy day, sige trabaho day, trabaho nimo igor bayad sa bit. wa mo kahibang nga diri sa akong himutangan. Ang bill diri is perting dagpuan, perting mahala, perting gigantiha. Dako kay bill diri na tita. Og dili ka mo lihok, og dili ka mo traba, og dili ka maningkamot, og dili ka mobangon og sig, og dili ka mag-ugmad. Wala yung hitabo. That's why you have to look for a side hustle. You look for another source of income. Dili man ni. Natuo man ako na, na siya kuan, na siya dito, naka-approve na siya, so hayakay na siya. No, dili na mao. Kaya nga nanuog na ka sa lain na, so sa ubang lugar, day, ang gasto na day, dili ka komedyahan day. Mao na yung tinuod. So, tian ka mo, agwa ko ni abot dili na ako. Di ko kahibaw ngayon nga na di ay kada ko ang gasto. Okay, so tian ta mo sa tinuod before, like let's say, way back in my elementary years, so my aunties are here. Like, I'm not sure if when are they gonna um, settled here. I'm not sure. That one was 1978, 79, or something like 1980s or something like that. Nagtuo ko before, okay, when they took their vacation, okay, nagtuo ko, okay, ano lang, kanindot nila, ano na ba? But when I came here, I realized, and I therefore concluded na, hala, ano di ay ang sitwasyon, dili di ay, basta-basta, dili di ay madali. So, diharan ako na ikaingon nga, mao di ay. So, all the questions in my mind answered. So, wa ko dili ni abot, diha ra nako na tubag ang akong kaugalingon mga pangutana nga mao di ay ni. So that's why okay nga di ay. So sa una kanang every time nga na maka-receive me now because we are still in the Philippines, we are still on the island. So kanang naagan ini ma-receive. Well, we are so grateful, of course. Grateful kaayo mi nga kanang naa ni auntie. Hi my auntie. Hi my aunties. Thank you very much for everything. So my auntie Pipay and aunties Sepa my tiya Sepa and my tiyo. So my tiya Perti and my all my cousins. So before when they took their vacation back home in the Philippines. So, na may mga sinugatan, sutian tayo ka namin mga sinugatan. Na aming mga kape, na aming mga everything, o sa patong amang mga sinugatan. Doy, gigakos-gakos kita na mo, di, ang mga kape, gigakos-gakos kita mga whatever they gave to us, kanang-kanang mga sinugatan na mo, day, gigakos-gakos na mo, day, puting humuta, day, humot kay tati, day, humot kayo kanang stick side mo na term sa ano no kanang mga stick side oy mo ting important ana ba mo na siya so dili ka pamindot no so diha na namo na diha na nako mismo na realize na og ni pag-abot na nako diri ako sa tulong dili po di ay malalayan so hi to my tiya Sipa and hi to my tiya mga I miss you so much and also my tiya you know what and also my ate Jen. Before that, I would like to thank my Ate Jen, okay, and Auntie Asipa. Yeah, thank you very much for everything. Okay, so, okay, anyways, so, yes. So, karon na ako ginarilas before, like, I came here 2029, so at that time, I realized how hard it is. It's not easy. So nakain, oh my God, di need nakita ito. It's so easy. Di malalim dai. Uy, ginawa ko ito. Oh, parang, oh, hala no, yung ano di ay ni. Well, those were the days. Pero dili malalim. So, maana siya. So, but na-embrace na mo. Kasi ang madawat, makadawat may ka na. I remember I received like a long long sleeve. It's a Gap long sleeve from my auntie, my tia Terti. So of course, oh my god, it smells so good. It smells so important. So I embrace it. So mo na siya. Okay, anyway, the next is bagay daw sa my full-time job like you always share. Okay, so I work, okay. Ma-honest ya. Nagtrabaho ko ano full-time, ano full-time in my job. So nagtrabaho ko as full-time. So bisag gatrabaho ko as full-time, I still manage my online business. I still manage my digital online business. Gatrabaho ko and still I'm still running my digital online business. Like I na ako'y spare time, na ako'y break time, mao na siya ang time na akong tanan ang akong online business. So dili man gud na siya all the time that you are like keep on like monitoring. No. If I am at my off time, well, pwede na siya nako like whole day na ako siya monitor. But if I do have still my full-time job, ako rin na siyang matanaw sa akong mga break time. Onya, maura na siya, maura gyud na siya time, pero still running. Whereas, og na kay physical store, your presence is very important. It is compulsory. Your presence is compulsory because if you don't have the presence, if your presence is not there or whoever you delegated there, what? No, it it's not gonna be possible. Okay? So, grabe ang advantages sa digital online business. Grabe ang advantages over sa like physical store or even the second job. Okay, so you build an asset. That is absolutely yes. Not just a paycheck to paycheck. Mabili mo usahay pud mo kanang dili gid mo digid na kalikayan kanang gitawag nga paycheck to paycheck daghan gyud makarelate kana. As in like let's say I'm not gonna say how many percentage are the bracket. I don't have the but daghan gyud makarelate in ana kay diri manggod kanang let's say if you are in this country kanang especially kung layo ka sa um, let's say layo ka sa mga kanang accessible transit, you need to have your own car, you need to have your own transportation, so you need to have your own transportation unless kung naa ka nagpuyo sa the closest sa kanang mga accessible uh, let's say if you are close to transit uh, mode. For example, dool ba ka kanang sa mga, kung sa Pilipinas, dool ba ka ng mga jeep, dool ba ka ng mga daghay, mga kanang, sa tawag ano, ay kanang, angkas, mga ingana, dili na ka magkinahanglan, day, o kanang sakyanan, day. Dili man gud og layo ka do ka medyo layo-layo na alas bukid na kas bungtod so magkinahanglan ka kaulay imong sakyanan day di ka pwede maglakaw dito magbaktas tayo na pwede tugnawa na so may pagkabot sa imong padulungan o wala imong trabaho di ba so ing ana na siya so mao na nakalisod so kinahanglan nga kanang nga kay kaugalingon nga kanang salakyan kaya layo ka pa ng litan sa imong trabahoan unya wa ka salakyan day unya day aberya day ang public transit so to well na may Uber there are lots of well you can take the Uber So ingana lang yun. So mao na siya kanang daghay makarelate ang paycheck to paycheck because not all the people here have walay utang. Like most of the people here na ay daghan gibayaran. Let's say kung nangutang kag balay, nangutang kag sakyanan, so daghan kag bayaron. Ana lang. So maigo gina siya sa paycheck paycheck to paycheck. So mao na siya nga murag mag-apas ka pero na dili biya kay bayra, dili biya kay sakyanan ra na pa insurances like house insurance, car insurance, life insurance. Taga insurance na imong bayaran day. Di ba pwede day nga sa imong bayaran day. Pag datas Pilipinas day, ato bayaran day, insurance ra day. Unsa pa na diha day, si Peter day, mga bayaran day. Dili day dakong bayaran day, natas ibang lugar day. So mauna siya nga kanang you have to kayod more. You have to kayod more. Dili pwede nga kanang usa ra ka buok ng imong hmm. So muna siya. So muna siya. Ana kanindot manggod aning ana kanindot aning digital business. Di ka mao ako magkinahanglan nga kanang mga tanang mo ana kanindot aning digital business. Dili kinahanglan imong biyaan ang imong full time ug naa kay other part time. Dili mo kinahanglan imong biyaan. Kay nga ano, muran ra man siya kay unsa may gitawag nga unsa may gitawag nga digital business, di ba? This is an automation. It runs 24/7 even while you are sleeping. Even if you are on your vacation, even if you are working your full time, even if you are working part time, even if you are in the party, even if you are in some other gatherings, or even if you are with family. So that's really the advantages of the digital online business. Dili kinahanglan nga mo resign ka sa imong trabaho if you think that you still need to earn more. Maong yun na siya ang pinaka-advantages sa digital online business. Ako ginasulti, ang ako gisulti, kaning atong digital online business is affiliate marketing. Unsa ang affiliate marketing? Kinsay makatubangan? Unsay inyong ikasulti? Tingog mo diha. Ay, ginoo ko. Well, ang affiliate marketing manggod is nag-promote ka sa produkto, okay, o serbisyo sa laing kumpanya. Pero, o kung naay mo palit mo gamit sa imong link, na akay commission. Pero wala ka kakita sa produkto. Imo ra siyang gipuno. Ingan na siya. Okay? O kung naay mo palit gamit ang imong link na akay commission. Pero it doesn't mean nga kanang naa si product imong nakita, imong bitbiton karay-karayon, mao na si no dili. Wala ka kakita. It is all about automation. So mao na siya ang naka-advantage. Okay? So ang sunod is unsay sunod? Unsay sunod? Unsa may sunod? Okay. So ang sunod is pwede siya motubo. Of course. Pwede kayo motubo, uy. Sa second job manggod, parehas ra gyapon ang trabaho ug sweldo. Ano man kung second job, of course, trade your time, money. Money, trade hours. Hours, trade Ana lang siya. Like vice versa. Whereas if you are in a business, it's unpredictable. It's unpredictable. It is like ang iyang pagtubo ba is unpredictable and kuan kanang ansay tawag ana is unpredictable kanang dili gani wa ba nimo kanang wa nimo wa ka nang expect ba nga hala tubo gina siya ano ba okay so kanang it's unpredictable and unexpected mga ingon anak ang sitwasyon okay so pwede mo na ko ang imong kita onya pwede mo tubo ang imong system o ang imong audience ana lang simple as long as you know what guys as long as you have the consistency ang ingani natin nga ko ano ka na para maka-build yun ka na sa imong kagalingon ha ka na um tinuod man gina siya nga I know that there are rampant um scamming everywhere anywhere like because we are in um a digital era so dili gina siya kalikayan nga daghan gyud kaayo ang kanang mga scamming. But guys, you have to have your due diligence. You have to have your own research. Okay, so mahibaw man nimo ma-vibes man gud nimo asa ug unsa ang kanang legitimate ug ang dili. Okay, so if you are in a doubt mode ug naa kay kanang mga pagduha-duha, mangutana ka sa mga eksperto, mangutana sa suwito, mangutana ka tanan, you have to ask. Dili pwede ka magpa wow ka ka wow ko mga ano no dili na pwede dili na siya kuan dili na siya dili na siya pwede karon nga mga ingana nga sitwasyon kay inang ano kanang nagtangag manggod na siya o kanang let's say kantidad mga ingana lang dili pwede kanang wow ka day hinunoa day nga kanang magpuo day di ka kabayad sa imong bayron day nga magpuo ka day di ka kabayad ang imong mga higante nga mga bills day kanang dumay mga bills day kanang mga dili ka na makabayad ang imong uwa you have to ask you have to do you do diligence you have to do your research mao gyud na kung pagpati ka masuod sa sako di ka masubak ana lang gyud mao na siya onya nag-build ka ug butang nga imuha of course you have to build your own business you do have your own name you do have your own brand you do have like this you know what that's why I'm so excited in this business I do have my own brand color my brand color oh my god this is my forever lovey-dovey color it's a navy blue that's my favorite color ever since and of course naa kay logo naakay you do have your own logo you do have your own motto you do have your own like objective you do have your own like everything you do have your own everything tanan okay so excited ka sa imong brand color sa imong brand name sa imong brand title sa imong brand everything okay so nag-build ka mo whereas a second job dugang rang imong sweldo pero ang imong lawas daw pwede ka po rin kita mo ulit ko rin well mao man gud siya ang advantage kaya na kay second job third job or fourth job or whatsoever na kay second job na dawat ko na interview ko dito na dawat ko na ay problema eh okay na alay dahil pagpunta dito rin ang alsa ka dito rin kina pwede bugata rin sa ako ni mo rin hindi mo panday pwede ko Dahil imong likod pag uli nimo sa injury, konting sakita dahil sa imong likod dahil. So, sige, no, kung nakapahaba ka dito dahil, tungkol kasakit sa imong likod dahil, hindi nakabango dahil, kakabikang dahil, kasakit sa imong likod dahil. Saan na dahil? Tungkol kay, nalipay ka, kay nadawat ka, kay second job, na kay third job. Pag abot sa inyo dahil, dito dahil, pwede dupa-dupa ka dahil, kaya na kay third job, hip-hip puri na ka dahil. Pag-abot tayo sa balay din, di kakabikan din, di kakabangon din, di kaluwas og AIE, oo dai. Saan na din. Sumauna siya. Okay? Naka, dito gidawat ko, nadawat ko, dagang kong trabaho, dagang kong kwarta. Abot sa trabaho dai. Masi-masi ka dito dai. Dito dai. Kabayo-kabayo ka dito, tumbling ka dito dai, tamas ginawa dai. Pila rin mong kita dai. Ang imong lawas dito na nalayok dai. Puwerteng kapoya dai pag uli nimo dai di kabikang dai di kuluwas dai. Dai pag pamunot bras dai di na mabuka imong baba. Tinuod dito, labi ta. Ay ana. Wala siyang tinuod. Kaya nga naman. Na-experience mo na ako dai. Labi na mag-double shift ka. Labi na mag 16 hours ka. Then, igulan mo rin, kaganahan na, magtagad-tagad na yung mga free nila. Dito punch out dahil, so sino nila, hindi naman patakaglingi dahil, kaya nang ano, kapoy na rin, mata rin, nagpijong-pijong na rin. Rito rin, nagkira-kira na rin. Alangan, nga naman na. So, of course, makarelate ka, kaya nang ano, mauman na yung sitwasyon is, anak man. So, the next is online business, nag-build ka og negosyo nga imo mismo. Your own brand, your own name, you can do whatever you want because that's your own. Of course. Like brand name, brand colors, like brand logo, brand slogan. Ana, you're so excited. Ana lang. Di ba? Next is angay kaayo ni para sa na-regular trabaho. Of course. Bisag na kay regular mo trabaho, bisag na kay regular nga job, bisag permanente mong trabaho, dili ka maapektahan, dili ka maapektahan. Ano? Pwede raman mo siya ma-check while you are on your break time. Pindot lang nimo imong phone, i-on nimo imong data, makita ra nimo dito your business is still running. Ana lang, ana ra gyud ka simple. Ana ra gyud ka simple. Dili ka maglangas, magbigay ka utang, utang, let's say if you do have your own, of course, if you have your own salon, tupi dito. Then, ikaw man akong tupi day ha. Yan ang bayad ay. Sa mga, wala nito nga. At ito naman ito nga after, let's say after a few years or let's say after a few months. Day, gabayad ka kurinti day sa imong salon day. Nagbayad ka kurinti, nagbayad ka dito kung sabihin mong ipamayran, permit, nagbayad ka pag isa kung saan, permit, tanan. O niya day, di pang utang day. Nagpatupi dito day. Kung manicure dito day, pedicure dito day, pang utang. Saan man mo? Diba? Whereas if you are in your online digital business, it's already automated. All set. Ana lang. So, muna siya. Okay, so, karon manggod panahon na, you know what guys? Daghan ang mga tao second job para madugangan ang kita. That's true. That is indeed true and that's the reality. Dili basta-basta karong panahon na, dili basta-basta ang sitwasyon sa kalibutan. Tanan, ni taas, ni saka, we are all hit by inflation, we are all hit by the tanan na-experience ko na nato. Walay lugar karon, walay lugar nga wala na naapektahan og mga kanang pagtaas sa palaliton. So, mao na siya ang pangutana. hangtod ka no sa hangtod ka no sa ilisan ang imong oras o kwarta. When is gonna be the time that you will decide, you can decide that trading your time for money like is no longer nga na ba karang dili na ganit nimo pwede i-accept until when okay. So kung pwede man nga magsugod og online digital business nga motubo bisan part-time man, why not? Okay. That's the easy. You know what? Pinakalisod lang gid ani is ang pagsugod. Ang pagsugod once you started, once it's already like slowly um nakuan nimo kanang nasugdan nimo, just take it slow. Dili mo na pwede nga moambak ka kanon. Moambak ka dayon mo. It's not it's not gonna be like that. You have to have your patience. You have to have your sacrifice. It's very important that you have to just enjoy, just embrace whatever you have. As long as you started the business, then just enjoy it, just embrace it, and then take the step by step process. In the long run, you will succeed. I think that's the best thing that you need to do at the moment. You cannot just like jump right away or let's accelerate like the highest. No, you just have to embrace everything like slowly. Whatever is the process, whatever is the progress, then just embrace it. That's really the important thing that you need to do at the moment. Well, as what they said, you cannot succeed if you don't start the smallest uh, step, which is true. Inga na lang, maobitan na siya nga kanang, maobitan na siya nga kanang, dili lang, ang kinabuhi karon is dili lang, to be honest with you. We are here and here in North America, so we experience like of course the hardest. Like last year or 2 years ago, as I've seen the the tag of those just the very it's ano ikang veggie gani ka may vegetables nga mga kanang nakita nako sa una nga 5 years ago kanang barato kanang protein dako murag piso no not the piso it's $3 or $5 ang iyang ang iyang tubo mao gina siya tinuod dili gid malalim so mao na siya okay so mao ni ang sitwasyon karon okay abi ninyo so you know what, guys? These days, well, it's not dili ni siya compulsory, okay? But it's a bit necessary. Okay? So that these days, okay, we cannot be denied that most of our necessities are hit by inflation. Okay. So that's why we have to do something. We need like to survive or but not the survival, okay, so we need a bit sustainable and comfortably and living, okay, we need to have a concrete plans, actions, objectives, goals that change the usual routine, okay, so that we can like we need to have like to organize to have a progressive routine. Okay. So, you know what, guys? So, tianta mo nga, I am a bubbly, sabaan ko, tabian ko, kanang tanan mga kanang mga simpian ba ng mga jokes kanang I do have lots of sense of humors. Okay, I'm so loud when I am with my friends. Okay, um, my workmates, my neighbors, of course, with my colleagues. I am a business minded, of course. I am a business minded. Okay, I sell a lot of things na malagi ako bisag unsa even in my elementary, high school, and even when I'm in my university days. Okay, so I sell stuffs. Okay, like mangoes, like and so on. Like because we have our naamang good ni ka ng ang akong mga ginikanan na amang good ni farm. So maligya ko ka ng mga mangga, ka ng among harvest. So business minded yun ko. So I sell it school to the teachers, like students, classmates, and friends, like whoever I've known. Okay? So that's why wala siya involved in shyness. Okay? So dili siya involved ang shyness because I know them all. But it's a different now. It's a different stories. Okay? So because now I have to communicate. I am communicating with those people, like those individuals in the whole world that I don't know. But because I have to welcome them in all my life. The thing is, that's why before shyness doesn't exist. And that now I have to boost my confidence. I have to like deal with it. And of course, I have to, you know what, I have to encourage myself. I have to motivate myself to boost my confidence. So that's why now it's a different story. That's the thing. I am dealing with the people, the individuals, like in the whole wide world. That's why I'm really change my mindset from fixed mindset to a growth mindset. So what I did is I motivated of course myself. I always think that my change mao gyud na siyang akong permigyo ang akong kauwaw dili gid na siya makabayad sa akong gigantic bills. Dili gid na siya makabayad sa akong monthly gigantic bills. Okay, so another thing is I just enjoy like whatever I have. Like I enjoy those um slowly growth, and then I just enjoy like small things I learn every day. And then because in this business every day, you know what guys, in this business every day is a learning process. Okay, so regardless if you are like a season, but still every day is a learning because we are like every day we always have the learning, like we always have the trainings if you're in this business. Okay, so of course if you want to know more about this business, if you want to learn more about this business, just please connect with me, connect with us, and of course I'm happy to help you. There is no such thing as next day, tomorrow, or later, and why not today? Okay, so it's not too late. It's not too late. If you will start today, it's not too late. That's why there's no such thing as next day, tomorrow, or later. If you can start today, then start today. Daily, yun na siya problema. Okay? So, mao na siya. So, Ang ako lang is just enjoy the moment. Okay? So, thank you very much, everyone. So, if you want to know more about if you want to know more about this business, and if you want to learn more about if you want to learn more about this business, just please contact me at rinasoto.com. And of course, I'm happy to help you. Again, if you want to know and if you want to learn more about this business, just please connect with me, connect with us at rinasoto.com, and I'm happy to help you. Okay, so see you again next time and talk to you soon. But before that, I would like to thank my family at Cardinal North, Ate Jen, G, Geraldine, and Charo, and Daisy, Ate Jovi, Mirabelle, and Charmaine, Ate Lot, Ate Carlota, Ate Carl, and Ate Jen Value. Thank you very much. And Althea. Okay, so see you guys soon. So talk to you soon. So thank you very much again to my followers, to my old and new followers. Thank you very much. Thank you so much for following my page, for commenting my post, and for taking time to comment my post, of course, and to like my post. Thank you very much. Okay, so talk to you soon and see you again next time. Have a good night. Thank you. Take care. And of course, God bless everyone. Happy Sunday and thank you. Okay, so thank you everyone. Have a good night and enjoy the rest of the day. Okay, so thank you and have a good night, everyone. Bye.